Hello, dear colleagues. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use two programs or two applications simultaneously. So first you open the application which you want to keep on one side. You just click here on the top and drag it towards the side you would like to keep it. Like for example, you can just drag it to the extreme left and leave it. So it will automatically, you can see that it has been divided into 50%. After that, just open that file. It can be Word, it can be Excel, any file or any application. Sometimes it comes automatically into the 50%, but sometimes you need to, for example, like if it is like on the full screen, you just first you decrease the size and then click there on the top, drag it towards right. Then it will automatically come into 50%. Sometimes it may also show using this such kind of options. From there you can select which application you want to keep on the 50%. So here you are with the 50%. You have divided the application into 50-50 and you can just work them on them simultaneously. And look at like for example here in one window and write your entries in the Excel sheet. Now second way is to drag manually. Like sometimes if it is not going or if it is not coming 50%, so you can just see on the top at the bottom you can see this green sign like which is a kind of arrow, and you drag it towards down. In the same way you can drag it from upside also from the top. So you will take your mouse to the bottom of the application, you will see this arrow in which you can decrease and increase the size of your window. You will have it here also. So this will allow you to work on two applications simultaneously without any issue. If you have any issue, please write to us in the comment box or message us directly.